Here's what our beautiful storm did. Some tree damage. Came down. Completely annihilated this fence. I need some guys with some good backs, willing to work. I can chop it down and get this crap out of the way. But as you can see, it's quite a mess. There we go. Got a little zoom on it. But as you can see here, it's totally destroyed this fence. All these trees have to come down. They're just junk. Alright, now I have to go over here and pick up my bolt cutters. Last spring I had this all cleaned up. And look at it now. Just a huge goddamn mess. There, that picture looks a little better. But as you can see, it's a total fucking shitstorm. Sticks everywhere. And this wood is completely useless because all it is cheap ass willow. And I really hope this is recording because I'm not doing it again if it isn't. You turn the camera back to regular. And now let me go see if I can find where I set the bolt cutters down at. God, what a mess. Oh, there they are. They're way over there by the tree. Once I was a young man, and I was able to carry bolt cutters all day long. And now I'm but an old man who can hardly carry them at all. And with carrying them at all, I can barely even breathe. Sad. But then again, one day, we all turn back to dust, so thankfully my day won't be too far away. We have groundwater standing like a mother, man. It's like unbelievable. There's the back of the kennel building. Like it matters. There's a whole shitload of goat houses. But there's another big tree on its way down. This is This is why I need to find a helper. Someone who will actually do some work. Okay, I'm going to cut this now for a minute and see if I can resume it in a bit.